Good afternoon. Welcome to the Beatrice here in Providence, Rhode Island. We're going to take a look at a typical room. So as you can see, the hallways are sort of nicely laid out here. Some views. Let's see what we look like. We're going to be in 505 today. Oh, we don't have our trick today. All right, so we'll get the lights on, maybe, and take a look. First impressions, pretty positive, comfortable. So one of the things I just sort of immediately observe here is it's nicely decorated. It seems comfortable. And let's see how the views are. Well, we can see a little bit of downtown Providence. Now, interestingly enough, this is on the 5th floor. This is my first time here, so I don't know much about this property, so I'm going to be learning along with you all today. This is next to the Bellini rooftop, so I hope that isn't too much of a stir tonight, but maybe it will be. Who knows? Maybe we'll help make a stir. That could be fun too. Let's take a look here at the restroom. It's always a good sign of a good property. If we can figure out how to turn on the lights. Oh, I see, that's for the heater. Okay. So, let's see, looks like some nice toiletry products here in the shower. Actually, overall, it looks like one of the fancier type of toilets. Let's take a look. Kind of afraid of all those buttons, but nonetheless, this looks like a good spot here. So my initial impressions, very favorable, very comfortable. Let's take a look also. Here we have a coffee machine, some water. It says it's for everybody. I'll take that as me too. Nice closet. Good solid room here. I'd recommend this. I talked to my colleagues who said this was really the only place they would stay in Providence. So I'm gonna say so far, so good. Let me know what you think. I'll be taking a look at the rest of the property a little bit later in my visit. Hopefully have some more footage for you. But thanks so much for checking this out, and leave your comments and reviews below.